Yeah. Man.
Hey, man. Make him feel like honey.
Oh, no. Haha. Man. This is crazy. We move. You know what it is when we do what we do, man. Ha. Look. Okay, let's get one thing clear. We've been working more than everybody else this year. Yeah, the momentum never disappeared. We just had to give you hope that the game's still fair. Don't be mad, it's not your fault. But you gon' have to take the truth with a grain of salt. You gon' have to hit the booth with a fake result. Like why the fuck you even playing it off? You cannot contest with the movement. Test what it is, who would ever thought we'd make it here? You ain't seen the best of our new shit. We just do it, Nike cut the check this year. Lord have mercy, I've been working so hard. I think it's time to reap the rewards. Think it's time to celebrate within the graces of God. You can never be the best if you never made it through the right test. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Make it through the right test. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Ever since the first single, y'all been steady sleeping. Hard to block it out when all the doubt would start to creeping. Had to flip it round and now we bounding and we leaping. To show these motherfuckers we was put in for a reason. Now it's our season, gotta keep it real. I don't know if there's anybody that's really in the field. Know this shit is fresh as in before you pop the seal. As a youngin', mama raised me.
Alright, so our next performer, he's a Siva Afi performer, a fire knife, how do you speak English? Dance instructor, and he'll be running a workshop right here. So if you want to learn how to Siva Afi, come here and join in. And there's also prizes as well. He also runs a course for beginners under Measina Treasures. He's taught students all over the world, and he was also one of the winners of the Takeover Melbourne competition. So I'm gonna introduce Logan Tapuala. Yay! Give him a round of applause. And if you want to win prizes, you can participate.
Way too hot. They already want us to stop, we're just getting started. No more game. Yeah, look. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Nomad. Winning in my sights, it all started with a vision. What once was blurred is now clear. I sit and reflect back on how I made it to here. Like even before the first fixed tape, fresh out of school at 17, just ripping the writtens and being cool. The second oldest is 6, we struggled a lot. Parents would hustle 24/7 for all the shit that we got. Like really be on the move, a lot of different spots. And maybe that be the reason why I just can't stop. And now I hustle for cream, gotta hustle for change. I muscle my way in the game, yeah, I struggle for days to make a name for myself. Now the boy makes waves and I switch lanes, nobody tell me how to behave. It's all love for everyone in my peer group. We still shooting through that same hoop. My tears dripping, they droop when I remember that we breaking the loop. For everybody coming up, know that this is for you. True. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. Back up in my bag, I be double dipping. Winning in my sights, call it tunnel vision. I've been living with the sauce, you can see me dripping. They tell you that money can't buy happiness, but it's paying for the pursuit. Besides, you wouldn't say that if you ain't had loot. Like listen, you ever thought that you ain't that dude? And maybe you ain't the player that can make that. I'm on a run, I'm on a run.
run.
I'm on the run. See my slump, whipping the ride for a getaway. Probably go live or let decide where we headed next. I'm one of them who don't care. Apologies nowhere to be found around here. I'm on the run. Know I would do. I keep on moving on the interstate. Who grind like me? It's time for me to demonstrate. If you're hearing this, guarantee that you already late. Yeah, I'm on the run.
Run, hey. Run.
Yeah, I'm on the run.
Run, hey.
Yeah, I'm on the run.
Me and my Uso never letting up. If fate send it through, I'm guaranteed to tear it up. Man, our resume extensive, who compare to us? Don't get so defensive, they pretend, but who gon' dare to touch? Could care less if you ain't aware of us. Round my ends, I'm big man, none of y'all really scaring us. We just put that mahi and ain't nobody prepared as us. Anyone can get it, depend on who want it bad enough. And ain't none of y'all want it bad as us. I stake my claim in this game, I know H will back me up. We taking aim at you lames, ain't playing around with none. Something like you say the way we run, yeah, I'm on the run.
See my slime, whipping the ride for a getaway. Probably go live or let decide where we headed next. I'm one of them who don't care. Apologies nowhere to be found around here. I'm on the run. Know I would do. I keep on moving on the interstate. Who grind like me? It's time for me to demonstrate. If you're hearing this, guarantee that you already late. Yeah, I'm on the run.
Run, hey. Run,
Yeah, I'm on the run.
run, hey. Listen,
Yeah, I'm
me and
on
my boy
the
the pescatarian, but if it's a beef, then we gon' eat. MAD bars on the HB that's giving heat. We really bring this flavor to the streets. Cheat code when your team is all elite. I can't lie, shit is sweet. But anytime you up, you know they pray for your defeat. And honestly, that's comfortable to me. How y'all scramble to one up us when there's comfort in the seat. I'm at the head of the table and they coming for my seat. If they really want the smoke, then I'm playing my offensive. See y'all getting packed up as if y'all play time ended high. Them investments learning lessons. Man, I swear this run ain't never ending, yo.
See my slump, whipping the ride for a getaway. Probably go live or let decide where we headed next. I'm one of them who don't care. Apologies nowhere to be found around here. I'm on the run. Know I would do. I keep on moving on the interstate. Who grind like me? It's time for me to demonstrate. If you're hearing this, guarantee that you're already late. Yeah, I'm on the run.
Run, hey. Run, yeah. Run, hey. Run. Make some noise for my family at the front. Appreciate y'all.